This is a hopefully quick video tutorial on how you can run some reports specifically based on your teacher assignments. You can do teacher assignments by course or teacher assignments by teacher. So again, log into PowerScheduler. This would be after you've started work to input your course requests, and you just kind of want to see where you're at, see what's going on. Obviously, you can always go look at individual teachers. You probably have your own process to make sure you're getting things in correctly. But if you start to see that you might have a problem when you're trying to do builds or you're just not sure where you left off, once you log into PowerScheduler, again, make sure you're at your school. Some of you have access to more than one school. Make sure you're in the correct scheduling year. This would be set by the PowerSchool team probably before you're in it, so it should be fine. We're going to scroll down on the left-hand side under the Tools area. Now, I apologize. I know the screencast I'm using is going to hide it where this link is right here, and that link just says Reports. I'm going to click on Reports, and from there I can run either of these two reports, teacher assignments by course or teacher assignments by teacher. So if I run teacher assignments by course, I click on that, then come over here and hit Submit, and literally, just like it said, here's the course number. That's the course name. These are the teacher names that are assigned to it. We can see this is a teacher's name twice, right? And I've got 8 sections for semester 2 and 8 sections for semester 1. So just like it says, that's teacher assignments by course. You can look up any course. If I do Control F and look up chemistry, or on your Mac, whatever your find is, right? You can start looking for those different courses. And yep, we've got 2 assignments for that. So that's one option of a report you can do. You can also do teacher assignments by teacher. So click on teacher assignments, sorry, I'll go slow. Go back to reports, click on teacher assignments by teacher, and then hit submit. And it's a very similar report, except instead of having your course title over here, you have your teacher's name over here. So I can see that we've assigned ACC staff, first semester, area career center, for the year, and for the year. These are probably have different section types, is why they're showing differently, right? One for the morning, one for the afternoon. But you can see that you've already done those teacher assignments. So that's teacher assignment by course and teacher assignments by teacher. You could obviously copy these and paste them special into Excel as well. You can also go to the teacher's resources and to the course resources and look up individual folks as well. But this just might help you if you're trying to figure out if you've started, where you've left off, what teachers you have done, or if you seem to be running into an issue while trying to build. Things don't seem like they're working out right. This could be reports that you come back to be like, did we get everything assigned correctly? So those, hopefully a quick tutorial, and hopefully that helps you work through those different reports.